450 watt total power, 112 watt effective suction power, and dual ion battery. Yes, meet Tineco A11 Master Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Better suction than Dyson V8 and comes with tons of accessory. Everything is nicely packed and protected, covered with plastic and held by cardboard. Rest assured that it will arrive your doorstep in perfect condition. Just like A10, there are service info card, quick start guide, and instruction manual in English and French. Just go through it to get started. Docking station on the floor. Unlike other vacuums docked on the wall, you can put hair cleaning tool, two tools, A11 main body, tube with motorized brush, and extra battery there. It supports 120 volt input and having dual 0.7 amp output. Can fully charge both Tineco A11 and extra battery in less than 4 hours at the same time. Yes, both A11 Hero and Master come with dual detachable batteries. No need to worry about running out of battery anymore. Just replace it will do. This is the must-have Crevice Tool. Great for cleaning tight gaps and narrow spaces. Can be used in handheld or with tube to reach high-up spaces. 2-in-1 dusting brush for cleaning upholstery furniture, curtain, and can be used inside vehicle too. Just press the release button to remove the bristle and attach it back easily. The must-have extension tube, perfect companion for both hard floor and carpet motorized brushes, can attach Crevice Tool and 2-in-1 dusting brush too. Meet pre-filter cleaning tool, a useful tool to clean the dirty filter. Yes, A11 comes with extra filter to make this task possible. A unique yet useful filter cleaner from Tineco, no doubt. And this is hair cleaning tool with small blade and brush. A nice tool to remove stuff that web at the roller. Clean the dustbin as well. Yeah, ultra soft dusting brush with angle bristle. Oval shape provides anti-static cushion contact, suitable to clean delicate surfaces. 24-inch long soft Crevice tool. Yes, it can be bent easily to clean tight spots. Great to clean dust beneath furniture, side of the refrigerator, and so on. Meet flexible multi-angle tube with 2 articulated joints, highly adjustable to move from high to low places. Used with non-motorized tools. One of the tools that I like to use most, flexible extension hose. Can extend and flexible to get into hard to reach places. Yes, great for in-car usage. Mini power brush to vacuum upholstery furniture, mattresses, and so on. One of the tools that I use every fortnight, suitable to vacuum pet hair and remove ingrained dirt. This is the carpet motorized brush, ideal for rugs and carpets. Can also be used for vacuuming hard floors too. You can remove the brush by unlocking the lock with a coin. Install back after clean will do. Yes, it comes with 5 LED lights that useful at dark corners. Never miss out any dust from now on. And hard floor motorized brush that perfect for hard floor, especially sensitive wood floor. It is loaded with 4 LED lights this round. As usual, dust can't be escaped from it too. And having the same brush cleaning method as carpet motorized brush. This is Accessory Storage bag. Just keep those infrequently used tools there. Example, the mini power brush. Lastly, this is the stylish Tineco A11 with crystal clear body. Light in weight and has a lot of similar functions as Dyson V8, loaded with nice to hold rubber handle, having the same power trigger and comes with a lock. Max power mode switch on top, 0.6 liter dustbin with ease to empty release button. 4 stages of fully sealed filtration system. Yep, it has the same design as Dyson with HEPA filter installed after the model. That's great. As usual, just remove them one by one slowly will do. Then use water to clean them. Be sure to dry them out before installing back. Well, that's all for Tineco A11 Master unboxing. A detailed review will be coming up soon. Please thumb up to support me. Thanks for watching. Peace.